In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can log in to your ClickUp account. So let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com, and you should see this on your screen. So if you have already an existing account, simply click on Login. Now, there are two ways on how you can use this. Is either you use your work email and password, or simply click and choose the Gmail account that you connected with your ClickUp account. So I'm going to choose mine, for example, wait for a few seconds, and by simply clicking it, as you can see, I am now redirected to my ClickUp dashboard. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.